Thanks a lot. The provision of Essential Commodity Act is to control production, supply and distribution. Central government wants to provide essential commodity at fair price. Look here. So this act is coming under central government. Okay, so central government want to see that commodities are provided at fair price. What do you mean by fair price, girls? Reasonable price. सबको लेने के लिए वो price affordable होना चाहिए. Fair price means reasonable price. Second, by controlling production distribution, already I have told this. Second point आप देखिए, confiscation of essential commodity. What is the meaning of the term confiscation? Confiscation is a legal term. जबरदस्ती गोडाउन सर्च करके commodities को लेके जाना. That is the meaning of the term confiscation. What do you mean by confiscation? I told it's a legal term. Government order लेकर search करेगा. किधर search करेगा? Godowns में. गोडाउन में सर्च करने पर गवर्नमेंट को मालूम पड़ेगा बहुत सारा कमोडिटी गोडाउन्स में है. सो वो सब गवर्नमेंट लेके जाएगा. And government will distribute it through the ration shop. That is the meaning of the term confiscation. Forcefully taking the things from the godown. Yes, boys, confiscation का meaning क्या है? Forcefully taking the, the supply of goods from the godown. Why the government is doing so? Because producer got the habit of hiding. In the English, we are using a term hoarding. Hoarding का meaning क्या है बच्चे लोग? Godown में छुपा कर रखना. Supply available है, but they will say that supply is not available, so that people become panic, and they will pay more price. That is the purpose of this hoarding. So वो avoid करने के लिए government confiscate करेगा. देखो, if essential commodities are captured by the authorities, देखो, without delay, it should be intimated to the district collector. See, there are authorities. Who are the authorities? Food inspectors. Every government name, there are food inspectors. आप कौन सा भी किराए का दुकान में पूछो, बीच में महीने में एक बार food inspector आकर quality check करेगा. So the food inspector, they will confiscate. Then confiscate करके किधर भी डालने का नहीं. Food inspector immediately district collector को intimate करना पड़ेगा. District collector उधर का state का जो minister है उसको intimate करेगा. So there is a proper procedure. Issue of show cause notice before seizure of commodities. आपके लिए उधर two words are difficult. Show cause notice. What do you mean by show cause notice? कारण दिखाने वाला notice. It's a legal term. Show cause. Show cause मतलब कारण दिखाने वाला notice. किसको issue करेगा? Producer को, नहीं तो shopkeeper को. Government shopkeeper को show cause notice issue करेगा. I will explain. कब? Before the seizure of the commodity. Seizure मतलब पकड़कर लेके जाना. Capturing. That is the meaning of the term seizure. Meaning लिखो उधर. Seizure means capturing. Capturing. I told you show cause notice. Business law में आप पढ़ा होगा. What is show cause notice? ये देखो, seller or the trader or the manufacturer should be given a notice in writing regarding the ground of seizure of the goods. एक सुबह fine day food officer आकर पूरा commodities collect करके नहीं जा सकता है. The officer who is in charge should give show cause notice to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper को show cause notice देना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो producer, distributor जो है, वो लोगों को show cause notice देना पड़ेगा. What is the show cause notice? You are hoarding the goods which is in excess. So why the action cannot be taken? That is the meaning of show cause notice. Show cause notice में कारण लिखा होगा, मैडम वो show cause notice हम ऐसा ही डालेगा. Show cause notice देने पर उसमें लिखा होगा within 7 days you should give the reply. नहीं तो within 14 days you should give the reply. 14 days के अंदर producer, distributor, manufacturer जो है रिप्लाई देना ही पड़ेगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर को, नहीं तो whoever has issued that show cause notice. Suppose that the answer, the reply is very accepting, then seizure नहीं होगा, फिर कोई आकर आपका गोडाउन से सामान लेकर नहीं जाएगा. लेकिन if the show cause notice का answer is not satisfactory, then there will be seizure. Please remember. So we are putting down the points one by one. The very purpose of Essential Commodity Act is what? What is the purpose of the act, children? Yeah, no, what is the purpose of this act? To control the production, फिर क्या लिखा है? Supply and distribution. Perfect. To control the production, supply and distribution. You are right. Then confiscation of essential commodity mean government क्या करेगा? I told you the essential commodities को they will forcefully take away, because I told you अभी भी आप देखो वाशी का गोडाउन में चेक करने पर उधर बहुत सारा टोमेटो होगा. जो रिटेल मार्केट में आता है टोमेटो ही नहीं है करके they will create a scene, and tomato is an essential commodity. People will pay the high price and buy the tomato. Then show cause notice has to be given to the producer, manufacturer, whoever is the person, वो लोगों को show cause notice देना पड़ेगा. अभी देखो appeal, legal language में appeal का meaning क्या है? Appeal means request. Appeal means request. Appeal means request. Example देता है. Suppose that you are not wearing the I-card. Okay, so college is imposing fine on you because you are not wearing the I-card. So in that circumstances, you can appeal. Teacher, this is for the first time. We will not repeat it again. So you can give a letter. That is the meaning of appeal. Okay, all right, karke teacher is accepting that letter. After 1 week again, if you are not wearing the I-card, naturally the fine will be imposed. Because your appeal, you know that the time is over. You are not following it up. So appeal means either producer नहीं तो distributor को एक chance मिलेगा. That is the meaning of the term appeal. Any affected person can appeal to the state government, underline state government. आप किसको appeal देगा? Appeal only to the state government, not to the district collector. Within 1 month, time is given, देखो. From the date of communication regarding seizure of commodity. I told you एक सुबह कोई आकर आपका गोडाउन से सब कुछ लेकर गया. Okay, then you are becoming very upset. ऐसा होने पर you can go for an appeal. मैडम ये appeal कैसा लिखेगा? Advocate के पास जाना पड़ेगा. Advocate आपको reply बना कर देगा. That reply should be submitted to state government within 1 month. If you are submitting after 1 month, it will be rejected. Then what does the government will do? They will appoint a committee and they will go through that appeal. If they think that appeal is genuine, then the goods will be returned to you. आपका goods आपको वापस मिलेगा. Otherwise, आपके ऊपर fine आएगा. Please remember. So, anybody who is affected is having the power for the appeal. And within 1 month, you should submit the appeal. Always you remember that. Then penalties. You are aware that penalties means fine. Heavy fine impose करेगा. Penalties means fine. Overwriting हो गया, so I am writing again. The trader shall be punishable. देखो, with the imprisonment of a term of 1 year up to 7 years. ये देखो. Suppose that your items are confiscated. आपने appeal दिया, that also got rejected. Then you can be punished. Minimum of 1 year, maximum up to 7 years you can be punished. Why you can be punished? Because you are doing things which are illegal. So when you are doing the things which are illegal, you will be punished. So Essential Commodity Act में the very purpose of the government is only that common man should not be suffering. Producers and distributor, they should always distribute the product at a reasonable price. That is the main reason most of the producers or most of the shopkeepers, they are afraid about these inspectors. And if they are immediately, government is ordering, एक checking करता है, आप then you will ask me, madam, वो evening में चेंबूर स्टेशन में BMC का लोग आता है, that is different thing because hawkers are permanently unauthorized. इसलिए BMC लोग आता है, लेके जाता है, वापस आता है, the same story is continuing. But in this case, this is the case of trader. This is the case of manufacturer who is having the license. So once the government capture it, you can give the appeal. If the appeal is accepted, you will be getting your goods back. Otherwise, fine bhi hoga, imprisonment will also be there. That is the speciality of this act. Okay. It is a small act only. 1 minute. I just wanted to. Look, module 1 what the module 1 is getting over. So what all things have we discussed? There are some students who are not there either online or offline. First one is what are the rights of the consumer that we have discussed. Then we have discussed the various types of consumer court, district forum, state forum, and central court that we have discussed. Then we have discussed Consumer Protection Act 2016 and the latest changes, 2019 ka changes. Hello. 2019 ka changes, that also we have discussed. Then we have discussed regarding RTI, Right to Information Act, objective features, okay, and how that act is implemented. Then we have discussed PIL. आज याद है PIL? Public interest litigation. Very good, children. 2 girls and 1 boy, they are not listening. They are permanently troublemakers. So, public interest litigation, how to file the PIL, who are the parties, and so on. Yeah, we are filing a case against the government. Right. Then we have discussed about the Essential Commodities Act. That is coming under public services. Okay. Now we will not be starting with FC. When we are starting with FC, we will be starting with module 3. Because I told you module 2 is little hard. Hard in the sense, more dry hai. Module 3 discuss karne par, you will get a very clear picture, madam, how you will choose the topic for the project. Because module 3 and module 1 are having maximum topic for the project. So you will be able to decide it. So next class, we will be going with economics. Have you decided regarding your project topic? Everybody, whoever is in the class, boys, thoda ekdam feeble voice. Topic decide किया है नहीं? ऐसा अभी भी double mind में है. Project topics I have shared in the group that you can and take then start writing the project. Don't wait it till the end.